It all began 3 years ago with a small team. We started our journey as Study in North Cyprus. Our mission was to connect students with the right universities and to showcase the educational potential of Northern Cyprus to the world. In a short time, we organized international education fairs in Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Indonesia, South Africa, Morocco, Turkey, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan. We built strong B2B partnerships with local agencies. We met thousands of students and built partnerships with dozens of universities. Our brand began to be recognized globally. Then we took a major step forward. Study in North Cyprus became officially accredited by ICEF. This recognition made us a trusted partner among the world's leading educational institutions. We successfully enrolled from around 20 countries and 19 universities across Northern Cyprus. These achievements led us to a new collaboration. We began managing the global promotion and international student recruitment for Paris American International University. Through this partnership, our brand's global influence grew even stronger. We facilitated a dual degree agreement between Paris American International University and International Vision University. This partnership built an academic bridge between two nations. Our next step was launching the Study in Kazakhstan platform. We provided students around the world the opportunity to apply to universities in Kazakhstan. As our global presence expanded, we laid the foundation for a larger vision, SINC Edu. Designed as the world's education intelligence ecosystem, SINC Edu became the core solution provider for universities, governments, and students. It delivers the full spectrum of education technology needs: data intelligence, digital visibility, smart campus systems, global access, and measurable impact, operating across multiple regions and supporting more than 50 partner institutions. SINC Edu established a synchronized AI-powered backbone that transforms how education connects, operates, and grows. And then came a new evolution, the birth of SINCuni. Built on everything we had achieved starting as Study in North Cyprus. Growing into a globally recognized platform, SINCuni was created to streamline and unify the university application process worldwide. With verified programs, AI-powered recommendations, and real-time admission tracking, it empowers students to apply with confidence. Backed by SINC Edu's intelligence infrastructure, SINCuni connects students, agents, and universities through one global system, making international education more transparent, connected, and accessible. This is how we turn experience into opportunity and vision into reality. We believe that when innovation meets purpose, the future of global education is not just transformed, it's redefined.